Cheers, Daddy call. It's Daddy's birthday. So, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Yeah. So, it's our starter. That's because it's Daddy's George's birthday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're just here in the restaurant and the Ivy helped us.
Yeah, so and this is the place, guys. So this is the Ivy.
It's a bit noisy here anyway.
Ayan.
So, how's everything with you?
This is the bar. So iikot ko lang kayo, guys. So this is the bar.
Yeah, same for us, everything okay, you know.
Guys, so this is our main course. This is my chicken with the wild mushrooms. But got quite tiny mushrooms there on the top. So this is our birthday dinner for Daddy George. So this is the atmosphere, guys. So ito, guys, yung loob. Ang ganda. So ito yung bar nila. Ayan, ganda. Ayan, guys, so. Ang ganda. So ikot ko kayo, guys. Sabas ito yung bar nila. Oh. Malaki itong restaurant, guys. But it's very nice, very colorful. Happy birthday! Alright. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Happy birthday! Ito, guys. So, ito yung loob ng toilet, guys. Yan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda. Yan. Yan. So, ito, guys. Yung toilet nila sa loob. Ang ganda. Yan. Yan. So, ang ganda ng toilet. So, ito, guys, yung loob ng bathroom. Yan. Ang ganda. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Quite nice. Yan. So, i-flash natin. So guys, that is George's Guinness drink. Because his birthday today. So, that's his Guinness drink. Guinness. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa Beto Bar. I-treat natin yung birthday boy. So he's going to get his Guinness drink. It's quite nice here, Dad, no? It's cozy. It's cozy, look.
For the second with people.
No.